All right, today it's going to be very quick. So we're moving into 4MD2. 4MD2 is really just making some measurements and using all of the four, our add, subtract, multiply, divide, and have word problems. But we're going to do some kind of real life stuff, and sometimes you're going to have to convert. So it's measuring things and converting all in one is what 4MD2 is. So in your packet, you're going to get on Monday, it is going to go over what we have already done. We did our anchor chart, and we talked about different measurements, the kilometer, the meter for length. Okay, so just to review, length, so make sure you have a piece of paper. So length, when we're measuring length, we could have millimeter, centimeter, meter, kilometer. And that is the order that they're in. So measurement of length. Millimeter, centimeter, meter, kilometer. Okay, so millimeters, teeny, teeny, tiny. Centimeters, a little bit bigger. Meter, remember we talked about the long rulers that we have? Those are meter sticks in the classroom. And then kilometer is like a mile. So you would measure between here and Moses Lake. That would be, we would measure that in kilometers. Okay, so that was just a quick review of length. And then today, I want to review just a quick review of mass or weight. Okay, mass or weight. You could also think of it as weight. So really there's only two that we really talk about, and that is 1,000 grams equals 1 kilogram. Okay, so really that's it. So we're talking grams. Grams, you're going to measure, so grams, make sure you get this down. I don't think you have this down. Grams. Maybe you do. Nope, I don't think. That was not on the last chart. So grams, what would you measure with grams? You would measure something like maybe a pencil. Okay, pencil, or even like an envelope. Like if you were going to go to the post office and mail an envelope. Okay. So then kilograms is going to be big. So you are going to measure, well, it would be like pounds. So you can think of kilograms as pounds. Really anything that you're going to, sorry, I guess that's kind of high. Anything you're going to measure in pounds, you could weigh in kilograms. So kilograms, maybe you're going to, a big old rock. That doesn't look like a very good rock, does it? So just a rock. Or even a bag of flour. So if you had a bag, I'm not an artist. Sure, you could do better. So here's our bag of flour. Okay, then, so you have that down. So that was mass. And then take a couple more notes here. So 1,000 grams equals 1 kilogram. Again, think of kilo, and gram. Just think of 1,000 fits into kilo. 1,000 fits into kilo. Okay, now let's talk about capacity. Capacity. How much something can hold is capacity. Capacity. Okay, so when we measure capacity, how much is in something, how much a container holds is capacity. So how much a container holds. Okay, so write that down in your notebook or on a piece of paper that you can keep with your 4MD2 stuff when you get it. And then, so just like we're dealing with liter and milliliter. So there's one, just like we talked about kilometers, 1,000 milliliters equals 1 liter. Okay? 1,000 milliliters equals 1 liter. So you guys probably can think of things for liters. So milliliter, let's talk about milliliter. Milliliter. Okay, what would you measure with milliliter? So think of mini. Okay, think of mini. It's very small, mini. So we're talking like just a dropper. Okay, so just a little dropper of water. Okay, so a little water dropper. And so like if you were going to do raindrop or medicine, you would maybe measure medicine with a little in milliliters. Okay, now liters, I know that you probably have gone out and bought a liter of soda or a 2 liter of soda. So liter, you would measure soda. Okay, soda. And maybe you would, like a gallon of paint, maybe gallon of paint is like a liter. So a can of paint could also be measured in a liter. Okay? And that's really all I wanted to talk about today. So look, I want you to get on to Zearn and make sure you're doing Zearn, and then MobyMax. I will make sure I'm going to post some lessons on measurement, MD2 in Zearn and MobyMax today and tomorrow. So I will see you tomorrow. Bye.